Hi guys, welcome back. This is 2000 Gaming again with another Chaos Zero Nightmare. So in this video, I'm just gonna give you my introduction of why am I playing this. So I'm a person wherein I do love to play card games. When I was younger, I playing Magic the Gathering. When I was younger, I still have my decks in my house back there in my country in the Philippines. So quite a few decks. You know, I have a mono black discarder deck. I have an elf deck. Like low casting cost elf deck, mono elf deck. I have like a red red deck. I just want fast and people to get die easily. That was the previous one. And then I just want to cast in like, dark rituals and all, casting with one cost so that you can cast more turns. Lots of things that like really reminiscent of me playing Magic the Gathering. And this one scratch that itch. Also, if you a bit OG in a way, if you watch Thunderjet when you're younger, or what's this, Captain Herlock, something like that, like the Space Commander, or Outlaw Star, and with like the hint of Gundam as well. Like you will it will be reminded of you, like you are the captain of SS Nightmare. So you have this spaceship, and then you're holding up like a big, you are responsible for your community, or your, again, a mini city inside your SS Nightmare. So you're practically sorting out the microtransactions or whatever's happening in your city. You want to like put up your squad mates and then let them handle the things what's been happening, which is I do really love. I like to watch Thunderjet when I was younger. Tactical kind of thing. That reminds me of this one as well. Like, and also, Gundam, wherein people are living from outer space because they don't have they can't live in Earth in a way. So lots of things that piques my nostalgia. And also turn-based card game, waifu, characters are really good as well, animations are really good, like everything is hitting the right spots for me. So that's why I'm playing this game. Really, really do love it. And it reminds me, I'll be making more videos on what my approach would be, because like I played this game, like I'm currently at 37, heading to level 40, free to play by the way. I will see if I just need to spend, I need to spend or not, but like we will see. I'm currently trying to get the commander's path here, so level 40 on all of my partners, 6 partners here, and then potential nodes. I need to be at level 40 to be able to like get more rewards over the hump, getting over the hump. So that's what piques my interest as a gacha player. Like not everybody is like gacha player originally, so even like the thing would be, I'm an OG. I don't have time to play anymore. I want like to play while sitting down after work or while at break. You can't do that if you have like consoles. Like it takes a while. At least this one takes a bit, like a few minutes for you to do it. So that's why I tend to gravitate to gacha instead of me, because I don't have that luxury anymore with family, kids, IRL stuff. I think it's a good pivot for a gamer to gacha games. But you need to be smart, okay? You don't need to spend. You can just play this. Let the whales or the dolphins do their thing. Spend and you can enjoy this as long as it's the grind is churning, or the cycle is churning. That again, free to play dolphins, whales, they are coexisting and they're populating the game and they're talking about the game, which is really good compared to other games such as like Black Beacon, Tribe 9. Stellasora is there, but like the game is so good, like they just need to change the monetization. But this one, everything is good. Like gameplay, uh like bro, character designs, turn-based gacha, it's all, everything is cool. Like, but there's some caveats on it. There's some stuff that I just want to like point out, that would be my good and bad assessment of Chaos Zero Nightmare on how like few days in. So I'll be making a video on that. So comment down below, why did you play Chaos Zero Nightmare? I would like to hear from you guys. For me, that are all of the point, or all of the tick marks are ticking for me. It's the nostalgia. It's me picking like card games. I love playing Reverse 1999 as well. I played that game since day one. CZN and Reverse 1999, for me, I feel like those two are the best card turn-based gacha collector in the game on gacha. Okay, on the gacha platform. Plus, Reverse is very free to play friendly. It's much more free to play friendly than CZN. While CZN, on the other hand, has this replayability wherein you can go to Chaos and get quite very random pulls for your cards. So that's what excites me compared to Reverse 1999 wherein you have that cards already pre-installed with your character if you get her. Okay, him or her, okay? The good thing about in Reverse 1999, you just pull for the character and you're good. All of their equipments you can just farm. So which is very very free to play friendly compared to this. Again, it's a Hoyo based gacha system. The only thing that they've changed, which is good, is they made their partners to be 100%, but still doesn't really change the fact that it's still, uh, uh, like it's a bit like forgivable in a way because that's the status quo on all of the gacha. But I wish they could have chosen a different path moving forward. So that's it for me. Comment down below what do you think about Chaos Zero Nightmare. For me, I'm enjoying the game up until now, despite me playing 7 gachas. This game is really good, and I like the replayability of it all. So hopefully you guys like this video, like and subscribe again. This is 2000 Gaming, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out. Bye bye.